It's time for another basement fire alarm test, so I'm going to skip the jump cuts for today, and I'm just going to go show all the devices. Right here is a New York style simplex chevron pull station. It's a 2099 model, but the exact model I don't remember right now. And up above it is a Wheelock MT24 LSM set on March time horn, and is being coded by the panel to 20 beats per minute March time. So it's going to actually be pretty interesting when we hear that go off. So let's just pull the alarm. Okay. Go ahead and close that, and I dropped the hex key. Go ahead and reset it. We'll go and look at the model number, see if we can find it. 2099 9798. Go ahead and close this back up. And you can see there's audible silence up there. It's very nice. Alright, so that's the video for today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my GroupMe server as well as my eBay. Both will be in the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.